In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify if your Shopify store is live and visible to the public. This is an essential step to ensure that all your hard work in setting up your store is ready to be showcased to the world. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you want to start off at your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your command center, where you manage all aspects of your store. Here, you'll find various features and settings that help you run your online store smoothly. Now, to access the relevant settings for this task, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This will guide you to a section where you can configure different aspects of your Shopify store. On the following page, you need to ensure that you are in the right area to manage your domain settings. Here, locate and click on Domains. This section deals with everything pertaining to the web address of your store, which is crucial if you want customers to find you online. Once inside the domains page, you'll want to check your Shopify store's domain name. In this demonstration, you'll see a domain listed, such as store524.myshopify.com. Click on this domain name. Doing so will lead you to additional details about your store's web address. Next, after you've clicked on your store's domain, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you should see a View button. This is your gateway to checking how your store appears to the outside world. Click on this View button, and what happens next is quite straightforward. A new browser tab will automatically open, and this tab will load your Shopify website for you to review. Now, it's time for the moment of truth. Take a look at the site that's just loaded. If everything is set up correctly, your store should appear just as you envisioned. This means your site is live and can be accessed by anyone on the internet. It's a satisfying moment to see all your products and settings displayed as intended. If your store's page loads correctly, congratulations are in order, because your shop is indeed live and public. And that's the end of today's tutorial. By following these simple steps, you can easily ensure that your Shopify store is accessible to your customers. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful for you. Don't forget to check this periodically, especially after making changes to your site to ensure continuous accessibility. I'll see you in the next video.